Hello, in this video I will show you how to change header color in Word. There is no direct method in MS Word, but there is a trick and I can show you. So first you need to click on the insert on the upper menu bar and then go to the header. Here you can see header and then click on the edit header. And you can see that the header section is activated now. And then go to the again insert and click on the shapes and click on the rectangle shapes and draw the rectangle shapes. After that right click and go to the format shape, and here you need to click on the line and click on no line, and under the fill you need to select the color, and here you can select the color of your choice. For example, I am selecting orange color, and if you want to select gradient color you can also select gradient color, and here you can change the color, and the second color you may select red, and with this slider you can mix and match, and here you can see the direction as well. You can set the direction, and here you can change the type as well. You can change the type similarly. After that, if you want to write on the text on the header, just right click on that and go to the add text. Click on that and write whatever you want. For example, I am writing. So once you write the text, you need to select it, and here you can make it bigger, make it bold, and here you can change the text. So I hope you understand how to change header color in MS Word document. So if you think this video is supportive, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.